Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So this is wild. They do not want us to win. They doing everything in their power to manipulate the market and to further drive it down, to split the market up, to have people, brains going everywhere, not knowing what to get in, what to get out of, because things is splitting up. I told you guys this exactly what was going to happen. This normal market conditions. Not saying we in a normal market right now, because this isn't normal trading activity at all. Just saying there's normal conditions whenever the market decides to split up, and you got different securities stagnant, staying the same place. You got some shooting off, and you got some dropping. That's normal market activity. But what we're currently in is not normal market activity, if that makes sense, guys. Meaning, a lot of stuff that's been happening isn't being happening theoretically, done by the news or catalysts or the economic data points. None of that is happening because of that. Everything is just kind of moving with price action and kind of moving the way it wants to move. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's been going on. So we know the Dow rallied 600 points on Friday, heads for the fourth straight winning week. Even though this is the fourth straight winning week, guys, it's been very choppy. And a lot of people want to look at it as that if they just sat like a deer in the headlights and watch the profits, watch their securities go up 30, 40, 50%. If there was an option, 100%, and just watched it come right back down. Of course, it's not going to look like a winning week because you just watched you watched the rise and you watched it fall. I can't stress this enough. I told you guys you want to be very meticulous throughout this storm, throughout this weather in the stock market right now. Meaning you want to be getting strictly in and getting strictly out and being in that cash position, just waiting on opportunities to help boost your portfolio and get your percentage gain. So let's go ahead and take a further look. So stocks rose on Friday despite a tumble in Amazon shares after economic data pointed to slowing inflation and a steady consumer. So we know big tech companies reported earnings this week, guys. We had Microsoft and Google missing earnings at the beginning of the week. Then we got the next two big ones, which was Amazon and Apple. Amazon missed earnings by a slight here, guys. They'll try to make it seem as if it's more than it's not. Actually, earnings per share, Amazon beat expectations by 37%, and far as revenue, that's where Amazon missed that, guys, and they only missed by negative 0.2%. So a very small drop in the bucket, guys. And as we know, we got basically Apple soaring on today, running up fairly well, sitting at 155, up over 8% today, guys. It's just, doing its thing. And basically Apple is being like that hedge against the market, meaning it's giving that offset balance. Meaning, you got some companies that reported bad earnings, but then you got a big dog that's in the space like Apple that's holding the company up and doing fairly well on today. Is going to keep the market sane. If Apple would have been dropping 10% today, 8%, we would have seen an even worse day than the day. And the day isn't really all that bad. It's just the fact that certain securities are down, some stagnant, and a few are actually up. And that's exactly what's really going on. So if we go ahead and take a further look, guys, like I told you guys, unexpected. We know GDP data came in better than expected on yesterday as well. Economy growth grew by 2.6%, which is also a great sign going into on the bullish territory side of things. And if we go ahead and take a look at stocks, guys, we could see the day has been wild. It's been a wild day. Straight out of the gate this morning, we had a lot of bullish activity. Stocks is up, and then in the blink of an eye, it shifted directions. Went on to make newer lows on the day, and now around lunchtime, usually when it's supposed to be another sell-off, this is where it starts to come back a bit. It's starting to try and go back up, and possibly, I wouldn't be surprised today, towards the last hour of the day, lunchtime, I won't be surprised if a lot of these stocks that shot up this morning and created a high, came down and created a new low, I wouldn't be surprised they shoot back up and create a new high and just, all over the place. So you already know, guys, be careful. Like I say, you definitely want to be exiting positions, over the weekend with this crazy, uncertain, all this uncertainty that's going on within this market right now. You always want to be safe, smart, and meticulous, guys, with the way you're moving your money around. And always aim small, miss small. So you can always have that capital and be prepared for the next opportunities that come about. If you try to go too hard, put all your eggs in one basket on one trade, you're going to wipe yourself out, and you won't be able to seize the opportunity that's coming right behind that one. which is a million more thousands of opportunities, guys. So don't just be upset or be, down about missing one. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram, at the B Hayes Show, get in VIP. Watch out for spam and WhatsApp and all that in the comments down below. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.